So here it is, guys. I'm just going to run you through the packing slip. So it's a Vostro notebook 3400, and it's got all these specs, so you should get these specs. I normally order it from Dell directly, so that's why it gives you all these options. It gives you all these details. So it's got 256 GB of solid state drive, and it's got 8 GB RAM, that is what we need, and it's got Windows 10 professional version loaded on it. A part is just all, you know, long details, which I don't want to get you guys bored. And let's check out the third page. Well, there's nothing. Right, so let's keep that on the side, and let's open up this box first of all. Okay, so the laptop, first of all, it comes with this charger, right, the charger, and the plug. So that is it. So here we go, guys. This is the laptop. Right, let me just open it up. So on the bottom it gives you this Windows logo like that, and it's got this the whole detail and the serial number, and your tag is over there. Just to guys show you, on the bottom you have the vents, then you have these rubberized feet, and you have the vents over here as well, but these are speaker vents, so you got two speakers on either side. On one side you have the power jack, the display port or the USB port, I think so. That's for your RJ45 connection, and two USB ports, and then a headset jack. Front is all plain. On the other side you have a SD card reader, and you have one more USB port. So that's it. And on the rear, of course, the vent, as I showed you. Right, so very nice matte finish on the top, Dell logo. Let's open it up. Oh, very nice. So guys, just to show you that, as I said, this is the Intel Core i3. As you can see over here is the logo, and that's the 11th generation. So in the 11th generation they changed the logo. And let's check out the layout. So apparently it's not dark gray, it's sort of light gray, and the bezel around is also light gray. But to be honest, it's not flimsy, but it's not the best material, but I think that they've made a lot of changes to it. I'm not sure if this display needs to be replaced, how that's going to be done, because it seems to be pretty much sealed. Butterfly keys, the key layout is excellent. I can feel it. You know, it's pretty good. I've just pressed the power button to turn it on. I'm not sure if there is battery in it, or there's so I think that there's no battery. So yeah, we'll leave that for a moment. And yeah, it's a full-size keyboard, but it doesn't have the numeric pad because, of course, it's a 14-inch display keyboard. Over here it says 14-inch. It says full HD display, HDMI port, SD card reader, webcam, narrow borders, and Dell Mobile Connect. I'm not sure what that is. Maybe it's got something to do with the SIM card or something like that. But yeah, so this was my quick unboxing for this Dell. If you're looking to buy a laptop, which is you know, you want it for work and you want it really robust and high speed, go for this Dell Vostro 3000 machine, the 11th generation. They've made, of course, few changes than the last Dell which I unboxed, and it's got a pattern over here, as you can see. It's got this rough pattern, and over here it's plain on the palm rest, and the trackpad is quite firm as well. So hopefully, you know, if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section below. And that is it. So this was my quick unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I look forward to make other videos, and we'll speak later. Bye bye.